So finally, excuse me. So finally, now this is all dried, we can see where we need to finish off some of these bits and bobs. Just going to bring in one strengthening shadow, strong shadow down here, just across. So well, imagine there's another building here. I'm just going to bring it in there. We'll have it running off the road there. There we go. Nice and liquid. I'm not going to mess about with it too much, except I do want a stronger shape in here. Yep, that'll do it. I'll pop a similar sort of suggestion of a cast shadow under here. Might need one in here as well. Just there. We were looking at cast shadows earlier, but I still think we need to pop in a couple. I'll have one in there. We're kind of about it, except under the car and around this figure. And we said here with this figure, didn't we? We were going to bring in another shadow, so I just need to not make that too strong. I was going to go over this guy. We're going to have to come in here actually, otherwise it's going to look odd. And this guy should shine up through, but that doesn't work, does it? No, I'm not happy with that at all. So I'm quickly going to take that out. Let's just get rid of that whole idea of that shadow there. We might need to go back into that character and redefine him, but I was quite happy with that there. I'm kind of just about done. Just make that cast in there slightly stronger. You had this one in here slightly stronger. That throws that up. We need to be careful that we're not getting to the stage where we're starting to fiddle around too much now. So I think we're going to call it on this one. Famous last words. Yeah, we're kind of done. Except, just want to strengthen up this guy here. Just slightly. Okay. That will do. Do it. Obviously we want the eye to go here, and it does. I'm going to leave those headlights. Okay, so I'm happy with that. I'm going to stop now. Final little thing is we had a few birds popping around in the sky. Just redefine some of those. Some of them are in pencil, I just leave them. They're fading away. Sometimes you need 2 dots, sometimes just 1. There's a couple in here that need strengthening on there. I think I've got to say that's it. done, job done. We've got loads of little marks here, but they could also be distant birds. So there we go. So thanks for subscribing, thanks for watching another one of my demonstrations. I hope you learn lots, and happy painting. Take care now. So we're done. We're going to just do the untaping. So have a quick look at the finished product, as I say, the finished painting. Just be careful here, it's slightly damp. And there we go. So, as I said, thanks for subscribing, thanks for liking. Come back real soon, and take care now, and happy painting.